The Lord be with you.
And with your spirit.
A reading from the Holy Gospel according to Saint Luke.
Glory to you, O Lord.
Jesus said to them, "Woe to you, Chorazin! Woe to you, Bethsaida! For if the mighty deeds done in your midst had been done in Tyre and Sidon, they would long ago have repented, sitting in sackcloth and ashes. But it will be more tolerable for Tyre and Sidon at the judgment done for you. And as for you, Capernaum, will you be exalted to heaven? You will go down to the netherworld. Whoever listens to you listens to me. Whoever rejects you rejects me. And whoever rejects me rejects the one who sent me." The Gospel of the Lord.
Praise to you, Lord Jesus Christ.
Praise be Jesus Christ.
Now and forever.
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Good morning, brothers and sisters. Pakibati nga na good morning din ang ating mga katabi. Beautiful day to be here in the sanctuary of Our Lady of Lourdes, our second Mass here. We can't seem to have enough of this place. And this whole day, the invitation for all of us is once again to be in union with Bernadette as she converses, communicates with Aquero. In the first apparitions of Our Lady to Bernadette, she did not introduce herself or did not give any name to her. When Bernadette was asking her, "Who are you? What's your name?" she just smiled, a knowing smile from Our Lady. And I would like that to be our first point of reflection on our second day here in Lourdes. The smile of Our Lady. She was asked, "What's your name?" But she just smiled at Bernadette. Maybe that's what we need to learn in our life. Sometimes we don't need to know at once. We don't have to understand everything all at once. Sometimes we just have to smile. Smile though your heart is aching. That's what Our Lady of Lourdes did when she was asked, "Who are you?" Kasi gusto ng pari ng Lourdes at that time, ang parish priest, kung talagang nagpapakita sa iyo yung mahal na birhen, tanungin mo pangalan niya. Si Bernadette naman, kumuha din ng holy water para malaman niyang totoo yung nakikita niya, kung sino man yon, because they believe here in this region that this could be evil spirits. So Bernadette herself brought some holy water and then bless niya ng holy water yung kausap niya. Apparently, hindi naman umusok, so she felt it was authentic. Because ang tawag lang niya kay Mary, she did not know even that it was Mary. Ang tawag niya sa kanya, Aquero, the local language for that. Siya. Naiinis sa kanya yung mga tao kasi, as I've said, 18 times na nag-appear, no? Or si Mary kay Bernadette. In the first few times that she appeared to her, all she could say about Mary was, Aquero, that, siya. A young girl, I don't even know her. I can't even describe, but she's so beautiful, she said. That young girl is so beautiful. She's dressed in white, she has a girdle of blue, she has a veil, and she has roses on her feet. Yellow rose on her feet. Kaya dapat dito sa Lourdes, nagsusuot kayo ng roses. Tumayo ka nga, yung aking model. Siya lang ang nakaalam ng sikreto ng Lourdes. So, roses. And Mama Mary is here. Yes, this is the sanctuary for all the sick, but this is the sanctuary also of smiles. the smile of Mary. We need to learn that. Sometimes we can't smile anymore because of the overwhelming problems we have in our life. Parang seryoso tayo masyado sa buhay. Kagabi po sa restaurant, sino ba yung kausap ko kagabi? Parang yung si Pogi na na Ukrainian na nirereto natin sa mga single dito. Hindi ko alam kung sino na nagwagi. Pero may isang waiter kagabi na ang sabi, bakit ang grupo ninyo ang saya-saya? Ang dami na raw na dumaang mga grupo sa kanila lately, of course, kumakain sa restaurant. But yung grupo lang daw natin ang halakhakan ng halakhakan, tawanan ng tawanan. Hindi alam ni Pogi na siyang pinagtatawanan natin. At yeah, that smile. No? Even if your heart is aching, or even if your life is so overwhelmed by problems and perhaps pains due to sickness and problems in the family, relationships, money, financials, and all those problems. Sometimes, ngiti mo na lang, no? Dadaanin na lang natin sa ngiti. So the first, message of Our Lady of Lourdes to Bernadette was, just, ngitian mo na lang yan. Because soon, as we will know later, we will visit the place of Bernadette. Bernadette's life was nothing but suffering. Everything. Tatay niya ay miller, nanay niya, labandera. They live in a cashew. The dungeon, they call it. And it's actually a prison cell that they turned into a house. So ganun sila kahirap. In kagaya ni Saint Therese of Lisieux, medyo middle class ang parents ni Saint Therese. Pero si Bernadette, she was a very diminutive girl, of 4'7", and she lived in poverty. She did not go to school. Nakapag-aral lang po siya o natutong magbasa nung siya po ay pumasok na ng kumbento. And then she was afflicted with all this sickness, tuberculosis and lung problems, and she was so fragile, she was so sickly. Lahat na lang ng problema kanya na. No? And she was the eldest of the 9 children. Siya yung tumayong nanay ng kanyang mga kapatid. So, aside from Our Lady, we also need to look at the example and model of Bernadette. After the apparitions, she went to Nevers and became a sister of charity. Naging madre siya. But very early in the apparitions, nobody believed her. Even her mother, her parish priest, the mayor of the town, everybody thought she was crazy. But she stuck to her story. I saw her, Aquero. I saw that lady. So beautiful, but I don't know her name. But in the last apparition in July 16, in 1858, that's when Our Lady revealed to her her name. I am the Immaculate Conception. And at that time, it was something so new, something unheard of for so many people, and of course, much less to be known by this poor girl, Bernadette. I am the Immaculate Conception means Mama Mary telling her that your life will also be pure and free. So the second message of Our Lady of Lourdes is purity and freedom. It is not just smiling through the pain, but also freedom in spite of the pains. To be so free is to be immaculate. That's what Immaculada Conception means. To be free from any stain of sin. And what is sin? Sin is that which leads us to suffering, oppression. In order to be free, we need to be clean or cleansed from within. And so this is also the best time to go to confession. There are available priests in the sanctuary. Kung ayaw niyo pong mangumpisal sa akin, pwede rin naman sa akin. But if you want, there are many priests available for confession. I would suggest you go to confession to a French priest who does not understand English. Para sabihin niyo na lahat ng kasalanan niyo. And then you will be forgiven. So this place is also the place of penance. Penance, penance. That's what Our Lady told in one of the apparitions. That's what Our Lady told Bernadette. Bernadette, your happiness will not be here in this world. Your happiness will be in heaven. So penance, penance, penance. Your suffering, offer them all. Surrender them all to my Son. And you shall be set free. Kanina po, as I was walking here, somebody messaged me, hindi naman po tayo magyayabang. Pero may nag-message po sa akin, Father, second day pa lang ninyo sa pilgrimage, answered prayers na lahat sa akin. Wala ako dyan. And I was telling myself, ganun. Sayang naman ang ginastos namin dito, ikaw ang binigyan. Nagpunta pa kami rito. Pwede naman palang di ka sumama dito. But Bernadette was once asked precisely that question. Kasi after po nang hinukay niya yung tubig at bumulwak na ang malinis na tubig and she drank from it, many were healed. Kaya po sumikat na gusto si Bernadette at that time kasi ang lahat ng mga tao nalaman nila na may nagmimilagro doon sa grotto sa Mashabel. At they flocked to this place and they got healed. And Bernadette was asked precisely that question. Why are people getting healed by the water of Lourdes? And she said, no, it's not the water, she said. It's not the water. It's the faith. It's the faith of these people. And even when she was in the convent in Nevers, I hope you get to visit her. So pababalikin kayo dito sa France. Hindi kasama sa itinerary natin, but you can also visit the uncorrupt body of Saint Bernadette in Nevers. Tama ba? Nevers. Depende sa pronunciation. And we can see her incorrupt body. And she was precisely saying, it was not the water of Lourdes. It is the faith of the penitent, of the person. So in this Mass, in our second day Mass for the sanctuary of Our Lady of Lourdes, we ask for the gift of faith, that all of us may also be healed, be free from any kind of oppression, affliction in our body, in the mind, in the heart. And we ask Our Lady two things. Our Lady of Lourdes, put some smile again in our faces. Make us smile again, in spite of the pains and sufferings, and help us to have faith in the Lord Jesus, that we may also be healed. So in a moment of silence, I invite you, Our Lady of Lourdes, that you have appeared to Bernadette in this same place, in this grotto of Mashabel. As you appeared to her so many times, we ask you also, Our Lady, to show your beautiful smile to us, to show to us your resplendent, radiant robe of white, so that we may be healed, that we may all be set free, that we may all experience freedom. Freedom from any bondage, freedom from any oppression, freedom so that we may experience peace and joy in our heart. And we also pray for the intentions and prayers of those who are not with us in this Mass, but are following us distantly, but with faith in their hearts. Our Lady of Lourdes, Saint Bernadette Soubirous, praise be Jesus Christ.
Now and forever.
Misericordes oculos, años con